Sairam, let us continue. When a disease-carrying microbe enters our body, the body produces antibodies to fight the invader. The body also remembers how to fight the microbe if it enters our bodies. So when there are microbes in our body, what happens? You fall sick, you develop fever. Why so? Because our body already has a few germs which start fighting, and when the germs fight, at that time what happens? Your body temperature increases. The body remembers how to fight the microbe if it enters again. If dead or weakened microbes are introduced in a healthy body, the body fights and kills the invading bacteria by producing suitable antibodies. The antibodies remain in the body and we are protected from the disease-causing microbes forever. Like for example, you know that right now COVID-19 was going on and people were given vaccines. Now what is this vaccine? Vaccine is nothing but the virus in the dormant stage, the virus which is not active, that is introduced in our body. And it remains dormant, it is not active, maybe a little bit of fever for a day or so, and then you are fine. But when your body is attacked by the virus from outside, what will happen? You will not be able to contact the disease and you will be free from the disease. And if at all you get the disease, it will not be very serious. This is how a vaccine works. Several diseases including cholera, tuberculosis, smallpox, hepatitis can be prevented by vaccination. When you are small, starting from your birth itself, first your mother, when you are in the stomach of the mother, she is vaccinated. And then from birth till the age of 14, 15, you keep getting vaccinated. In your childhood, you must have been given injections to protect yourself against several diseases. Can you prepare a list of these diseases? You may take help from your parents. It is essential to protect all children against the disease. Necessary vaccines are available in nearby hospitals. You might have seen the advertisement on TV and newspaper regarding protection of children against polio under the Pulse Polio program. Polio drops given to children are actually a vaccine. A worldwide campaign against smallpox has finally led to the eradication from most parts of the world. These days, vaccines are made on a large scale from microorganisms to protect humans and other animals from several diseases. Increasing soil fertility. Some bacteria are able to fix nitrogen fixing bacteria, that is the rhizobium bacteria. It will go and it will make nodules on the root of the pulses, legumes, dals. The dals grow in the fields. They are called legumes or pulses. Now the roots of these dals develop nodules, root nodules, in which the rhizobium bacteria fixes nitrogen from the soil and increase the fertility. These microbes are commonly called biological nitrogen fixers. So it is a natural nitrogen fixer. Cleaning the environment. Bujo and Paheli had observed the school gardener making manure along with their friends. They collected waste of plants, vegetables and fruits from nearby houses and gardens. They put them in a pit meant for waste disposal. After some time, it decomposed, got converted to manure. Bujo and Paheli wanted to know how this had happened. Now you know different types of manure, isn't it? They are the natural manure and the artificial, that is the fertilizer. Do you find any difference in the content of the pots If so, what is the difference? You will find that plant waste in pot A has been decomposed. How did this happen? The plant waste has been converted into manure by microbes. So, that is the natural fertilizer or the manure. It happens because of the rotting of the dead, decayed plants and animals. Now, how does this happen? This happens because of the microorganisms. The nutrients released in the process can be used by the plants again. Did you notice that in pot B, the polythene bags, empty glasses, bottles and broken toy parts did not undergo any such change? The microbes could not act on them, convert them into manure. You often see large amounts of dead organic matter in the form of decaying plants and sometimes dead animals on the ground. You find that they disappear after some time. This is because microorganisms decompose dead organic waste of plants and animals, converting them into simple substance. These substances are used by other plants and animals. Thus, microorganisms can be used to degrade harmful smelly substance and thereby clean the environment. It cleans the environment. What? Microorganisms. Okay. So with this we end the class here. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.